Adwa se wana sabredi o mahine kwabna santi atena se ma mechira diamond enso atena se yenhwe ensema hodo be de betwa go de obokra tedi ma feni akoye online portals ahodo de nso so na afi hoso nkomo yakọ akodi mpedimfo me wo ache
Yenia nkwala ya jimuso
we way ya no mo
ibe fo mo ache o nkwala me jimuso na bibi e kama de
na me gosi
good o e fa no pay o di ahase yie pa kama ne akoye yawada we hye yawada etwato kra e wo jumbo so unhu biem da unhu yawada we 2022 yawada we unhu ni biem da iti ene woni ni wie pepepe de papa bi e wo yawada we mu na se o gire ne go on say hia ni biem na waka se woni ni bedi anu awese siko iti ye mo ache ni asa mu akwa ba this is the ultimate TV breakfast show Badwam on Adom TV wo multi TV so Mauli edasi pi se hwese de osidi e kona afi era kwasinsia era Dominic ne Priscilla Vodafone Anaman and afi dache hene any the entire team camera sound lighting and set designers for ne can say control ne makeup for ne driver form de ya bibia eko kama edema ye won komodi na ya wada nti akaka se da wie ma refi se on free chira so the chira intino diamond chira lady D yo sister Sandy be a guy that
wa mama D
lady D yo atena se nti kopem se no nkono body bibia da meka ehun se fata se menu mi nyina na gibom se e to adwene na adwene man Ghana am watching
yeja
akwasi bet mi nkomo na se no agye me homeso kakransa nti akwasi mi wi de se ma wodo atojo de oboka tell mu de ebre man ho kwan no quickly ya the be emma na afi yetimi atwa so sabe call lines no dem di kan emo kakra ne se na mka se gigi nsense mi etu atwa no mo se awu di junction bi akoto so no na enna nke eso nipa in court na ade obi tu ya sika na se obi sie kire bi ana
ebia e kopie court no e bi ho se
mo enko ya niu na ade obi ye na mo
ebe no ye ho a de bia e be sere ye ho de ma ne court na
de na make ka kesi wa ni ma se akwala on all sisi ya anochoma now they come up me kan sem o me kan sem do now you see sisi hwe ya say eh anochwa be you know
ade achi no nti de tie bia ade achi no
ese mo be fa sem brani for pa we twitwaje nipa da we ade o sane mo no
na mra ne so de be so twitwaje nipa efi se nipa bi bebre ni mu mra ne nti ayira ma won ti mesua pa twitwaje nipa
daily guys say demo leaders escape tear gas and after the big one NDC guru grabbed with gun and Trasaku supports Nungwa Homowo government to cut sword for Apiati renovation GCB bank reacts to false story and what's ana daily guidance so a day aba
but the graphic here to us empeniformi and symphony da hanum say na now say bonso chief executive officer Emma Private Enterprise Federation and a Professor Peter Kwate and she director Institute of Statistical Social and Economic Research na Dr. Joseph Obey and she president of the Ghana Union of Traders Association there no moka there one more can say aso said your mind to be at for economy hono Ghana aban ebeko IMF ana inti no asembisa kesia no per graphic ebo ho amane wa hanum say fishes defer on close season sa asemi fibra eba ye se be yadwuma wo memu no apofo no mbo ento won yemuda ba konso wa ha na 31.7 million mobilized for National Cathedral inti no so ho asem no na ba ko bi wo page 13 mejidi se ebehia ye nyina ene se the Gibellion and Sandra Foundation omo akwa SHS mu akwa hwehwe mofra ne nyina mu fa secure cell nti hu ne ntam ene yi a krache ne bepe wo no pratwe na mu no no wabisa na se krache wo so wa cheke
ankofo so bia
sa nti we ye mejede se yen ya to de bia eboa nkrofo no se ye health screening no we so ye health screening ne bia ebeboa pa fi se secure cell asemunti enipa bebre fie ayere pa nti sa foundation Gibellion and Sandra Foundation mo yade ebi kan we ho na so kakrai ena me de somo wo eye daily graphic
anocho aba see fake police there na there
oko Adom online
o hye ensem ahodo etwa go we no wiase amansa nyina ensem o si fake police woman arrested after TV show na se waye no ho se wo ye post ni o se nya adaje asa akwakoye interview wie ye no penifo aso ne page na asem we se agina mu ache pa afi na ho nsem aba R Kelly ye nyina ye nim sa anwumtuni R Kelly se penifo ahye se won kwatwera ban kokum finsi aduasa 30 years esanse sexual abuse ho ntansa bi ayiri ko nim se abrofo de omo no sexual harassment omo so mu dendenden and this ama hodo bi aka na we also UDS graduates ventures into mobile car washing after failing to secure a job oba abaya o UDS wakosua pon bi awie wonya adwuma nyenti wo so ohoro car eyeye so ohoro ba akokora na onya 5 cedis wo mu a na se da kododo obehoro no boaboa na obetimi di abobra hu hia so obefiri ha akɔha nsan na wanya de obedie enti ababa wa firi ase a wo horo hyɛn ɛwɔ mayi mu no ankasa de ne nsa eye bibi nti ubewura adomonline.com a benya nsɛm yi mu nkyeremu ɛwɔ hɔ we so enwanwa kakra o man o say I found peace and comfort sleeping at the cemetery we so your ba say ma wa kokoduro wo say what there see ye a wonya asumdue ne ho tɔ no what there see ye ho no asumdue ne ahotɔ onya ɛkyɛ say wo da fie eti mu nsɛm ɛno no we so your boss was journalist files injunction against swearing in of newly elected GJA president na say abato no ekoto ye no GJ sentrefo nkabomu ko abato no na nka na mpanimfo abehwe no amoma so afene mu aso anso hwe mu a sentrefo bi ekwakwagye tabo no de aba abeto so a emu nsɛmokɔ adomonline.com a obenya we ni afoforo bi locally ones ne so de na se oye kire ya Rise Ghana demo e de omanfo bi kikafa ho ne nyina bi ewo adomonline.com akwa a obenya mu enchim wan
well waka Rise Ghana ho komo de na ho bi hia se be kwakwagye adesua kakra a former police detective Yera Samuel na apia wusu ene ne twetwe nkomo kakra na titiri ono I post ni pen de nipa bi ni mo kasa se na se a post for kwa mo de timamfo ye fa so no aya na emu orem kakra mame manache na me na se na me na kwa ba Yera Samuel na apia wusu me gidi se apom ye boko pa
Adom me ho ye papa
ye da nyame asese waje so ne ye kasa no pe de di kan na no da ye no ne enu achi ye kira ye nyanum bi mu ye ene kwan a ya posifo nso ede wo no efa so no se o body tofa se na abeka na mai
yo me dasi na me share with you for me gidi ye se o hwe se ne na sin no etie no a it's easy to identify say na police felt say demonstrators and the organizers have abused or refused to listen to the instructions by the court and now say order the ama no restriction wo mu no akwai say omun person be disunti na bufu kakra baye which in my opinion now me feel say the police should not have expressed anger instead like Ihuno and Drano. It should have been well organized, very much professional standard. No matter how we try to invite your anger as a professional police, there, you need to at the maximum level restrain yourself. Say if you are being recalcitrant there, then I will meet you in an equal manner. First day, this is a sad situation in Korea. And police for demonstrators any encounter it was quite unfortunate say you but now say a day to or proud to the day now mobile demonstration now say accusation counter accusation organizers any police we are court restoration we are stay of execution it was anticipated from some of us, our opinion and our views, you think it was anticipated, said you see, and then and son and Drano, not a bit me a see.
Normally, say, we are posting in the crowd, but to us, yet, say, ye bear yet. And I am not posing for it to me, be to me, na be could see say, necessary a reactor. How do we go about it?
But I think police, as of now, make Maka say they should have enough history to guide them. It's in recent times, crowd management, you say result to a lot of kind of situation or minor yempe because for we cassetia any other anti your be post event analysis in terms of crowd management and investigation near being no. BBC, you have every right, sir. The aftermath of the incident, all the veterans and any Ashishima won't be sent to be a buyer. Nanka, in the next line of action, no, sa area, Nanka, see a crime or and see police for a backward somewhere. In our opinion, as I say, a guide or more crowd control and answer crowd management in recent times. And in Nanka, likely said they should be able to foresee, say, near ABC, ewo nene na nsano, ABC, name no kwine ben on the first to respond. There's supposed to be kind of psychological preparation because one sees what you know who say, and Krofui, they have always started say, Omobeye Bribia, Ebesha Bufu, Intino. Yansha say, we will go with full professional standard according to the operational procedures are a work crime more and as a form. No matter how the provocation will come, we need to be able to, restrain ourselves. Now, you should say, logistics crana ya de consin hormono. How do we position them? Say, enquire target. Now, personnel, no, so the caliber of personnel are de corn, so no, or more experience at the same, so that they can at least manage their emotions, they can manage and balance it with emotional intelligence, and such that it will not be said, "O ma say bufu ntino, yen so yen respond into preparation, meetings together with the organizers, The police have to psych themselves. Say, we have analyzed this group of people. Yenim say, we are capable of doing. And so we are likely to face this challenge. Yen prepare in the event, we should be able to exercise the restraint, professional standard. No, is expected of us as police. And in preparation, one key area you look at is how the incident is likely to result to, and if indeed it results to it, your response, how would you measure it, and how will you balance that with emotional intelligence? And basically, this is how it needs to be, assessed, and the caliber of personnel who be dispatched or more to manage the situation, has a lot of role to play. Okay, so you can't pose it for idea, which means you identify more challenges and weakness in how our opposing for esi itu anamo ebra ti say ye kira akoso ye no anu day. But clearly utimi hu say infoyin bi wo so a obi wo ho opposing for into anamo bia kra say utimi say bi ko jana nim di natem anaso ofa bo kra to bo post ni say opra no. Yan so ye kire ya beti say opposing for no have a responsibility say one boy ho ban na unnecessary and unneeded provocation insults certain attempts to cause certain actions and you're comfortable no it because so they can suppose ni na ntima go through a certain understanding na say ushia sa nipa na equally no ono ba chia. Yeah, we are right, and I can say it has to do with dispatching men normally na assistant superintendent of police IFN ASP mostly in charge. And they have gone through a whole lot of training. So I'm money be assist. Now, unfortunately, junior ranks, temperament management and hard drinking. He will try to respond in an equal manner. Unfortunately, now, like I said, the organizers and the participants, all of them has a duty also to ensure, say, at least police, they are here to protect us. Now, the IMA say, yeah, call demonstration, I'm not just talking in reference of this alone. Previous, events SCCA during the former government, the police sometimes psych themselves say and they are likely to destabilize the situation, you know. And let's make sure say so by all means, you know, we should be able to restore order and sustain the peace. And no say Kobani say as you use the necessary minimum force na omo ako use. Nti who here organizers of such events, you know, at least you should be able to also understand police for no so constrained. Na say the two tables here no nkiadwene ko benkrom enu they say it was so much commendable. At the end of the day na efe. That is how democracy, rule of law, freedom of expression, and association yetimi eyeno. Na uwia nanka yaboye hu nyina yabaso. Enti organizers no has a major role to play. Say they will let the participants understand. Say yeah, we agree, we respect the law, and we want the police to do what is right, and we will also do what is right.
Right.
And at the end of the day, no, the country will be the victor, but not the individual. In any case, Obiasi will fight for Ghana. And see, like you said, no, the citizens, we must also at all material time, you know, be ready and willing. You're very disciplined and responsible in all actions.
All right.
Yeah, yo.
All right. Yeah, era yes Samuel Lanapia also me person you be share a breast you be din come about sometimes the police the perception and impression already the police for na bias san as we say your MPP police because NDC is in opposition. The NDC ba power your NDC police don't be a NDC no more satisfied. That has been fighting the Ghana Police Service since Kojo PP. Everybody sound come also at the appropriate time, what the police service can do, what citizens can do, what the politicians or more abemo as of that time can do and in the position. Because it's worrying. The perception about this current executive police hierarchy, any police administration, or more yet master Juma. Now no dano so no more yet master Juma. So whose interest will the police continue to serve? Partisan interest or the Ghana interest? But Maminasi. We enkomo ebechi de di ankasa na me no ase waje bre se oni abedi sa enkomo enti ye da opeyin partner se so etimi akasa anope but ensem no edoso ye the Ghanaian Times don't go to IMF TUC government not retreats demand for 20% COLA and second day Arise Ghana demo ends peacefully. Protesters present petition to Parliament Finance Ministry. The new crusading guide say Kwan CEO fights Ochehene over Achim Ebuakwa lands and a government to create 3,000 jobs through community mining scheme. Deputy Minister Lance Anakase. Oh, Bibika.
Chronicle dear ye de ba kono say nche mampani abedi echi betwa homam na apiate kro na say ye no. Mwasi no fufro enti Lance Minister na ken na quotation no a Chronicle de ba ye no. Proverbs 14 verse 3. Mebusem.
Itredu 9.
Mo
Jichemu ye miensa.
Jichemu miensa. Ojimifo anum.
Ko.
Ena na ho kira ba wo.
Ko.
Na enyansafo anokra wo.
Ko.
Mediasi.
Amen. We know nyame asem for the day. I don't sure about you hear me. Edisia na ma de bibiasi. Ye to aso kama kama ye kwaba.